So a glue gun is an extremely simple tool to use. The main trick is to simply not burn your fingers when you're using it, so keep your fingers away from the nozzle because it'll be hot. Most of them have feet or a little wire you can leave them to sit up on like that. They do make glue pads, but I just use the plastic box that it came in. I use it as a glue pad. I just set it over that, so any glue that comes out the end will end up on the plastic. So the glue sticks just go in the back of the gun, and then they go through and the glue comes out the end. I use high temp glue sticks because I have a high temp gun. They also make low temp glue guns, or they make multi-temp glue guns, which have a switch that will flip back and forth between high and low. Mine is high, so I just use the simple high temp glue sticks. And they just go all the way through. And so to actually put one in, you just stick the stick right in the back of the hole of the gun, and then it'll go down and it'll push the next stick forward as well, if you've already got one in there. And then the glue will come out the end. The trigger is what pushes the glue sticks forward. So once you've got your glue stick loaded, then you'll end up, when it's hot, you can pull the trigger. And then the glue comes out the end. So to turn them on, all you have to do is plug them in, and that'll start heating up your glue gun. You can tell it's hot if you feel about halfway down. Keep your fingers away from the end, but about halfway down the plastic warms up. And some of them you'll also notice a little bit of glue oozing out the end. The glue will be liquid, so you know it's hot enough to use. And so to actually operate it, you just pull the trigger and the glue will come out the end. The harder you squeeze the trigger, the thicker your stream of glue will be, so the more gently you squeeze it, the thinner your stream of glue will be, so you can use that to kind of gauge how thick you want your glue. When you've gotten to the end of your line, if you swirl the glue gun around a little bit, it gets rid of the glue strings, at least some of them. And then you just take whatever you're gluing together and stick the piece on top of it. You want to not use too much glue, because if you put too much on, then your glue is going to be oozing out the edges, which you're not going to want, so be gentle with the amount of glue because this stuff's pretty strong anyway. And it gives it a nice strong hold. And to shut the glue gun off, you just unplug it and then leave it to completely cool before you put it away, because you don't want hot glue all over anything. You also want to be careful to never leave a glue gun plugged in unattended, because these things can start fires. And these things are great because they'll glue any porous surface, cardboard, fabric, wood, anything that's porous, and it gives it a nice strong hold.